this video, we're going to be talking about how to apply for a First Citizens auto loan. So let's just get straight into the video. So let's just say you're shopping for a vehicle. So find the new or used car that you want and then have your ID, proof of income, pay stubs and job letters, and potentially proof of address ready. And once you've done that, what you need to do is simply go ahead and start the application process on the First Citizens website, or you could also visit a local branch with an auto financing expert, which is what I recommend you doing. Then simply go ahead and share information about yourself and the vehicle. The bank reviews your application for pre-approval or final approval, then sign the final documents and receive the funds, which is potentially within 24 hours to complete the purchase. So it is as simple as that. There are a couple of things that you need to have ready, and that is going to be your valid ID, recent pay stubs or employer letter, and then utility bill or bank statement, or even pro forma invoice if available. So I hope this video clarified everything that you needed to know. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.